The 2025 Prevost Liberty Coach is a masterclass in luxury motor coach design, and in this in-depth review, we're diving into every detail that makes this model one of the most advanced, comfortable, and opulent RVs on the market today. From the outside, the sleek stainless steel shell and custom multi-stage paint job give it an unmistakable presence on the road, while the new aerodynamic enhancements and upgraded LED lighting system elevate both its looks and functionality. Steps you inside, and you're immediately greeted with an interior that redefines what it means to travel in style. The handcrafted cabinetry, imported marble floors, and plush Italian leather seating are complemented by a fully integrated smart control system that manages lighting, climate, blinds, and entertainment, all accessible via touchscreen panels or a mobile app. The floor plan has been subtly revised to optimize both living space and storage, with a spacious salon area, a midship galley equipped with state-of-the-art appliances including a Miele cooktop and Sub-Zero refrigerator, and a master suite that rivals five-star hotel standards, featuring a king-size bed, custom wardrobes, and a spa-style bath with a rainfall shower and heated floors. New for 2025 is the upgraded Liberty Coach lithium-ion energy system, which now delivers longer off-grid capability thanks to a larger battery bank and enhanced solar integration, making boondocking more viable without sacrificing any of the coach's power needs. The coach rides on the proven Prevost H3-45 chassis, renowned for its strength and stability, but now paired with an advanced suspension system that delivers an even smoother ride, especially over uneven terrain. The driving experience itself feels more like piloting a luxury SUV than a 45-foot vehicle, with adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and a new 360-degree camera system that provides full visibility and peace of mind. Entertainment is another strong point. There's a 55-inch 4K OLED display in the salon, a motorized outdoor TV setup under the awning, and a full surround sound system powered by Bang & Olufsen components. Connectivity is handled via integrated Starlink satellite internet and 5G cellular modems, allowing for seamless video streaming, remote work, or smart home-style automation while on the road. Even the underbelly storage compartments have been thoughtfully redesigned, featuring powered slides, climate control, and built-in tool storage. Every surface, switch, and seam has been engineered with precision and care, reflecting Liberty Coach's commitment to craftsmanship and customer feedback. And while the price tag sits comfortably in the multi-million-dollar range, it's important to understand that the 2025 Liberty Coach isn't just transportation. It's a rolling penthouse designed for the most discerning travelers who demand excellence, performance, and the freedom to go anywhere without compromising comfort. Whether you're planning a cross-country journey or a weekend retreat, the 2025 Liberty Coach makes every mile feel like a five-star experience, with a level of personalization and exclusivity that only a coach of this caliber can offer.